A number of you are wondering whether the new Mavic Air 2 will be compatible with the smart controller. Well, we spoke to DJI and we have an answer. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you love this type of content, click that subscribe button now for the latest breaking news as it happens. Anyway, the Mavic Air 2 was released just a day ago, and a number of you are wondering about whether it's compatible with the glorious smart controller, a device that I absolutely love, and it genuinely has changed my enjoyment of flying DJI drones because I don't need to connect my phone into that fiddly transmitter and connect that horrible cable. I just double tap the power button on here and I'm ready to fly within 30 seconds or less. Well, I've spoken to DJI and they have said that from launch day it won't be compatible with the smart controller, but within at least 2 weeks it will. So that's really good news, and of course it's a sign that DJI are continuing to support this lovely product and its evolution. So keep a lookout for new firmware updates on this one, and hopefully you'll be able to fly your Mavic Air 2 with the smart controller very soon. Comment below with any new features you'd like to see introduced to either the Mavic Air 2 or the smart controller. Give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.